Hello friends, this is Maria here, and today I am going to do the two flaps of my journal, or for my journal Celebrate. This is a very special journal, and I'm going to be using this booklet in order to recycle and reuse the cardstock from the cover and the back of this amazing sketchbook. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your measurements are exact, and you're going to be cutting and trimming your cover really straight. And for that, the best thing to do is just place your signature and spine on top of the cardstock and then mark, and the last step is cut. I want to also remind you that the previous video is here. I'm gonna link it down below in the box. In that video you can see step by step how did I build this amazing signatures with this amazing spine. So as you can see here, probably the measurements and the finishing touch of the cover is going to take a little bit, but it's worth it because you're going to make sure that you have the perfect measurements. So this measures 8.5 centimeters, and you can leave a little bit more, like let's say 1 centimeter on top, because it's always good to have extra space, but make sure that you don't have less of the space you need, because that's going to be a problem. So now I'm marking with my ruler, making sure that I'm going to be okay with my the cardstock that I'm going to be using for my cover. So here I'm going to redo and re-measure again and just make my line so I can know that I'm okay and I'm ready to finish my cover. It is always good and nice to build a journal, especially when you have a lot of memories or an event or an occasion in your life in which you want to keep those memories, probably to share with somebody else or to keep it for you. Every time I open my old journals that I've been building in the previous years, I'm just like immersed in a different situation in that moment that I was living at that time, and it is always nice to remember. Also, you can share your journal, especially from a trip, with your family and friends, with your kids, because it's full of memories. And if you don't have any private information there, you can like enjoy telling them stories about the moment or the place you visit, or what can I say, or the way you build your journal, like I'm doing in this video. So now I have here, I'm almost done with the first flap. That's going to be the front flap, and the second one is going to be easier to do because I'm just going to place this one on top of the other one and cut in the same measurements. So on this side I just have 1 centimeter up and down. Now I'm going to just measure with my ruler to make sure that I have 1 centimeter down and 1 centimeter up. I'm going to just draw a line, and then I'm going to trim it using my scissors. Well, as you can see here, I'm just cutting because I'm almost ready, and I can't wait to start decorating this journal before I start gluing and writing inside of it. Well, as you can see here, I'm going to show you the final product. I have two flaps. I have my butterflies here that reminds me that tomorrow I'm going to be flying to Italy. I'm actually building this journal at the last minute. So, but don't worry, I'm gonna link you every one of the episodes. There are gonna be 4 parts for you to see this complete journal with the cover and everything done. And when I come back from Italy, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna present you a flip through so you can see everything I'm gonna be doing in Italy, from the tickets of the airplane, finishing with a napkin, or with a nice view from the ocean, or an amazing food, because Italy is well known by the amazing food they have. In here, it is very important that you know this part here because usually the cardstock is very thick, so we need to do a line using a craft knife as I'm doing in here. And I'm just telling you, don't go too deep, just probably 1/2 centimeter, and apply a little bit of pressure, so it's gonna make easier for you to fold your spine. And this has two goals. One of them is to give your journal a nice finishing touch, and another goal of this spine is to protect your journal and actually your flaps, the front cover and the back cover. And a third one that I was going to forget is to have your journal standing straight into your bookshelf or into your space or a nice furniture. And you're gonna see the spine where you can hang a dangle and anything that looks nice or anything related to your journal. So I can tell you that I'm very happy because I'm building this journal. I'm going to do my best in order to finish this video before I go. And this is the way it looks from up here. As you can see, I have 2 signatures, and it's very important for me that I left that space in the center between the 2 signatures because this is going to be kind of bulky. I hope I can bring a lot of memories and stuff from Italy that I can glue in here. I'm dreaming about this vacation, and I named my journal Celebrate because we have to celebrate life. So don't worry, don't think that you can't do it. Just start doing your project and you're gonna be amazing. There is always magic, there is always a celebration, and there is always love in our life. So just dig very, very deep and you will find it. And you'll be amazed when you see the incredible things and incredible journals you are able to make. So I see you soon in my next episode, and if you want to watch the previous video, just click the link down below in the box in this video. I see you soon, my friends, and never stop creating. Bye bye friends. Wish me good luck because I am gonna be traveling tomorrow. Bye friends. See you in my next episode. Remember, subscribe, give me a comment and a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.